Any favor, questions, comments? Peanuts. Not a big fan of packing peanuts at all. Tape, I really hate. Just not a fan of the packing peanuts. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Such a happy bear. So, in Mexico, there is a grocery store, and this is their mascot. This is the Bolo bear. Liverpool is the name of the grocery store chain. And look at the different paints on there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 colors. That's pretty cool. But this is a really hard dispenser to find. It is a licensed product to advertise the Bolo bear. A cute little full-size bear on there. The older dispensers, only heads. The newer dispensers, starting to do full bodies. Really cool. Although I would like 2 versions of this. One with just his big bear head. Very cool looking. So there's your Bolo bear from Liverpool in Mexico. So until next time.